In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a phone call in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a past conversation so your team has a clear, searchable history on the contact's timeline. Start on your HubSpot home screen. From here, we'll head into the CRM and open Contacts. Logging a call in HubSpot simply means creating a record of a phone conversation that already happened. It doesn't dial the number, and it doesn't start a live call. Instead, it saves the who, what, and why of your conversation, so anyone looking at the contact later can instantly understand the context and keep your relationships moving forward. In Contacts, find the person you spoke with. You can use the search bar at the top or browse your list. Click into the contact's name to open their record. This brings you to the profile page where you can see their details on the left and the activity timeline in the center. On this record, look toward the activity toolbar. If you don't immediately see the option you need, click the More menu to reveal additional actions. From that menu, choose Log a Call. This opens a panel where you'll capture the essential details of your conversation. In the Notes area, write a clear, concise summary. Start with a short subject or purpose, like Discovery Call about renewal or Follow up on pricing. Then add the key points you discussed, any decisions made, objections raised, and the commitments on both sides. It helps to include the date and approximate call length, plus who participated, especially if more than one person joined. Keep it factual and easy to scan so teammates can quickly get up to speed. Avoid including sensitive personal information. Stick to business-relevant details your team needs to execute next steps. If there's an agreed follow-up, note what it is and when it should happen, so it's obvious the next time you or a colleague visits this record. When your notes look good, click Log Call to save it. You'll see the call appear on the contact's timeline, providing a reliable record that supports better collaboration, smoother handoffs, and more accurate reporting. If you're working across multiple contacts or accounts today, repeat this same process so each conversation is captured where it belongs. That's it. Quick, accurate, and consistent. You've just learned how to log a phone call in HubSpot CRM and keep your communication history clean and complete. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.